What's the meaning of assassinate? Assassinate. Assassinate.
Assassinate. Assassinate. The term assassinate refers to the act of deliberately killing someone, especially a prominent figure or leader, with a specific motive or intention behind it. Assassination can have far-reaching consequences, including political destabilization, increased societal tension, and the potential for retaliatory violence. The result of an assassination is often the loss of human life, which can have a profound impact on individuals and communities alike. Additionally, the death of a leader through assassination can create a power vacuum, leading to increased uncertainty and vulnerability within a society or organization.